Colleagues, we now go on to the final part of the agenda, which is the closing of the General Assembly. So many have worked so hard to make this General Assembly a success. Let me start with our team at the Secretariat, led by Heide Hoekman, our Chief Executive Officer, with her team. Really, really well done. It has been so reassuring to work with a group of colleagues who know what they're doing and who've gone about it in such cheerful fashion. I've been absolutely superbly supported during the entire assembly. Thank you for your hand-holding. Thank you for guiding me. I'm really most appreciative. Excuse me. The platform and related technical aspects of the Assembly have been provided by Conference Consultants in South Africa. Thank you very much, Peter Swart, and your team for your support in a very complex virtual setting. We've been entertained by the beautiful music of composer and pianist Christoph Spannenberg. Thank you, Christoph. Thank you also for your flexibility and your cheerful responses to being asked, please, could you entertain us for 10 or 15 minutes while we try to sort something out? I'm also grateful to the many governing board members who have contributed in various ways towards making the Assembly a success, whether presentations, leading discussions, moderation, fielding questions. Thank you. This is really much appreciated. Some board members have had to contend, and in fact, this goes to ISC member delegations as well, have had to contend with quite, shall we say, inhospitable hours in order to participate. Let me first thank Peter Gluckman, our incoming president, for contending with much forbearance with, well, I was going to say late nights, but really it was more like 2 and 3 in the morning. Thank you, Peter. And thank you to all of you, whether you are based thousands of kilometers to the west or to the east of Paris, for being here and for participating so fully. I now formally close the Second General Assembly of the International Science Council. The Council shall reconvene in 3 years' time for the Third Assembly. Thank you and farewell.